Hello friends, it's me Shashikant, and in this video I'm drawing a capsicum. This is an object drawing, so I have placed my object in front of me. Before you start drawing or before your pencil touches your paper, you have to observe the object first. Spend some time looking at your object and you have to visualize it as a simple form. You have to see the basic shapes in your object. Focus on the essential lines first without too much detail. Draw with a light pencil. I'm using H pencil here, and most of these initial lines you can erase them later. You can make your pencil darker only when you're happy with the drawing. Once you have defined all the basic shapes, start to refine the object, making the lines neater and erasing the earlier lines. And now you have to define the curves more precisely. So wherever required, complete the detail, then you can darken the lines. So I'm using H pencil here. Started drawing the outlines of my object. Just I wanna define the shape, that's why using very light lines, and started shading with H pencil only, very light pencil. I don't wanna go darker at the beginning. Then here after that, to show the darkness, I'm using 2B pencil and I'm trying to merge all these shades and make them smooth. I have decided to work on the darker area here, so I'm using all the grades including 9B. You don't need to use all these grades at the beginning. When you are very happy with the drawing and initial shading, after that you can use the darker one. There are shapes that are formed by the light. It hints the object. To see them better, squint your eyes. With the filter provided by your eyelashes, you will be able to see shapes of darks and light. Within the object itself, the shadow of the object being cast into something else. They are just important as the shapes of the object itself. Draw the cast shadow. Establish the main area of light and shade by lightly toning in the shadow shape into a big two-dimensional value shape. Develop the darkest areas and strong lines of the object. Find the darkest dark and lightest lights and start building up the main tonal areas based on the structure. Just like this, you can continue adding more details and refining the tones and shades, and keep comparing darks and lights, and you will be able to see what needs adjusting. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button if you have liked the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.